Good afternoon, folks. This afternoon we are going to go dig up some hydrangea pups. I've had a bunch of big hydrangeas growing over here on the side of the house for years now, and I have a lot of little, I call them pups, like a sago palm pup. And I'll show you how they are created, and also we're going to dig them up and plant them somewhere else so they can grow big and beautiful. All right, here we are over the hydrangeas, and every one of these little hydrangea plants out front of these bushes were created by a process called ground layering, and that is where something where the hydrangea, they get these long limbs and they'll just simply touch the ground and stay there for a while, and roots grow out of the leaf nodes. And I'll show you, like this one here. This is a plant. All I'm gonna do is break that off, dig this up, and I have another whole plant. But see, this limb bent over is down in the ground. Let's see what's a good shot. And it's rooted. Got a whole new plant from it. But let's come down here. There's another one. I've been cleaning weeds out from underneath these today. Here's one, that one. Here's one here. You can see where this big branch come down, it's touching the ground. Now it's rooted in right there. This one's made off of the same branch. Here's one, that's one, that one. You can see where it come down. I got a bunch here. I think I counted them the other day. I got about 15 that I need to dig up, which is pretty sweet. And all these were made from ground layering. See this limb come down here off the main branch body, come down here, it's in the ground across here, starts a new plant. Yeah, and all you got to do, you can just sever that. Once they're rooted, they'll still live. You can sever that, dig it up, put it somewhere else. And these are all done naturally on this particular end, but you can do it pretty much. Find a limb like this and a leaf node like that. Some people will scrape the bottom of it. You can do it as little as scraping it with your fingernail. Take a brick or something, set it on it. In a few weeks, it will have roots growing into the ground, and once it's rooted good, you can cut it off, got you a new plant. You can also bury it in the dirt a little bit, it doesn't hurt. But anyways, let's get to, I'm gonna dig one of these up and we're gonna move it. Okay, I think this is the one we're gonna get first. It's gonna take me a few days to do this, find spots for them. But just tracing it back to find the root, well, the limb that it started from. And right now, yeah, it's still feeding it, but it's already clearly established in the ground. Ain't no telling how well. But I'm gonna sever this from the mother plant. That way when I pull it up, I don't yank up anything else. I just cut it. And then we're just gonna dig this up, try to get as much of the root ball as we can, you know, just like normal. But it should be okay once you plant it in other places. Keep it watered. Hydrangeas need a lot of water. And these Mophead, about a half a day of sun's fine for them. That's why I got them on the east side of my house. They get morning sun. In the afternoon, they get shade from about 1 o'clock on. But we're gonna dig this up, take it to its meeting. It's out here. Try not to damage it very much, but they're tough. It's probably got some deep roots. I probably broke a couple there. Let's see if I can pull it up. Oh yeah, I got most of it. Those are from the other one here. Let's cover them. These will be fine above the ground because I'm taking some of this dirt with me. So it'll be, take this grass off. See, you can probably see under here, it's got its own root system. Leave some of that dirt here. Alright, let's bring it on home. We're going to go right over here next to this banana magnolia tree, this little dirt area. The chickens were getting out and they scratched up all this grass and everything, so there's a big dirt area here. I'm going to put hydrangeas across it because this beautiful Drake elm tree keeps it shaded after about noon. Keeps it shaded from the harsh western setting sun. And I don't know how many roots are going to be down here, but I'm going to start digging and see. Doesn't have a very extensive root system right now. I only got to dig down about 6-8 inches and it'll be fine. So let me get this out of here and I'll get to work. All right, I'm going to start digging right here. Up under this just a little bit. I don't know what kind of roots I'm going to run into. This dirt looks good under here. And there's a big root. Oh, look at them earthworms. Hope I didn't chop him in half. Don't believe I did. Sign of good dirt. And you got these things. We'll make sure you're not chopped up. Yeah, there's quite a few roots under here. Ooh, there's a big root. This might not have been the best spot, but this is where I want it. We'll just work around the root. Dug too much out. Put some more of that dirt back in there. See what? Where's that worm? We'll get him on back in here. I'm going to put a little bit of fertilizer in it. This is not Miracle Grow. This is just a run-of-the-mill triple 13. But I use this shake and feed. I reuse it with granular. I'm just going to put a little bit in there. And some organite just for good measure. And plop you in here like so. don't know where the earthworm went. He's in here somewhere. Because we know he didn't run off. I'm going to go grab the hose. Water this little guy in. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, which would be great. That is probably good enough. And yeah, it's a pretty easy, quick process there. And I got about 15 to go. I'm not sure where I'm going to put them. I might put 2 or 3 more around in this area here. It'd be nice. Well, just one more probably filled up because these things get huge. And anyways, we'll all right, we're done. It's all in place, ready for spring is already sprung. Appreciate y'all watching my video, and take time to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Hey, come here Zogby. You're my new baby that showed up. You're a good boy. Yeah. All right, go play. Y'all have a good evening. Ooh, big belly.